Let's understand the difference between the traditional joins and newly added relationships within Tableau. For this, we are using Excel file for data input. We have created two very simple tables. The first one is table A with category and profit, and second one is about the sales, but its granularity is little different. It has subcategory as well, and it has sales at subcategory level. So we are going to do both join and relationships, and to figure out which one is better and what should be our approach in these scenarios. I'm making connection with the Excel file where I can see both of my tables. Let's start with the traditional join first. Drag table A, then open the entity and drag table B and establish the relationships. I'm choosing inner join and the join is based on the categories. Since the join is based on the category fields for each subcategory, the category and profit from the table A is getting repeated. And similar things are happening with category B, category C, and other categories as well. Category E has only one subcategory, that's why it is not getting duplicated. If the granularity of the two tables is not similar, this kind of duplication can cause measures to show wrong numbers if the correct aggregations are not selected while creating the charts. Other aspect is in traditional joins, when you join any of the two or more tables, it performs the join and store the resultant table within the Tableau workbook itself. If the datasets are huge and on top of it, if it is causing duplication, it can cause a performance issue and take a lot of space on Tableau server as well as within Tableau workbook, which can cause the queries and charts to load up very slowly. Let's validate the same thing at the sheet level to see how measures are getting duplicated after the traditional join. Let's bring category from table A, category from table B, subcategory from table B. Let's pull profit and sales. Choose text table to get a better view. You can see it is very obvious that profit is getting repeated for each subcategory. Since profit is present at category level, after join it is getting repeated for each subcategory. And if we remove the subcategory, the total of profit is way more than what we have in our original table. To avoid this, let's start with some different approach. We will reconnect to the Excel file, but instead of using traditional join, we will use relationships. Let's drag table A, and instead of doing traditional join within the table A entity, let's drag table B directly here. So this green line is saying that we are performing actual relationships. We can declare our join conditions in this pane. Both of the tables are being joined using category field, just as we did before. When we use relationships, it won't combine the data in data source pane. It will combine the data when we will use the fields within this table to create the actual charts. Until then, there is no query or resource utilization. This makes it very efficient. Let's validate if via relationship approach if we are getting any duplicates or not. Let's pull category from table A, category from table B, and ring profit and sales on text. For better visibility, we will choose the text table. And as you can see, the profit is not getting duplicated and we are actually getting the sum as it should be. So relationship give us this peace of mind of not getting duplicates and also giving us better performance. So it is advisable to use relationships unless traditional joins has some custom use case.